Hi guys, ako nga pala si Ramin Magbo from IT2102 and today I'm here to tackle about the summary in chapter 10 and this summary is version 2.0 and now let's get started. Chapter 10 entitled or tackles about the application layer. What is application layer? This is the application such as the web servers, online gaming, chatting with and emailing friends. Enables us to send and receive data with relative ease. Typically, we can access and use this application without knowing how they work. However, for network professionals, it is important to know how application is able to format, transmit, and interpret messages that are sent and received across the network. Visualizing the mechanisms that enables communications across the network is made easier if we use the layered framework of the OSI model. In this chapter, we will explore the role of the application layer and how the application services and protocols within the application layer make robust communication across the data network possible. What is application layer? Is the closet into the end user. Is this shown in the figure? It is the layer that provides the interface between the application used to communicate and the underlying network over which messages are transmitted. Application layer protocols are used to exchange data between programs running on the source and destination host. Presentation and session layer formatting or presenting the data source devices into a capable or received by the destination devices. A session layer is the function of the session layer creates and maintains dialogues between source and destination application. The TCP or the IP application layer protocols. The application protocols specify the format and control information necessary for many common Internet communication functions. And application layer are used by both uh, source and destination devices during communication sessions. For the communication to be successful, the application layer protocols implemented on the source and destination host must be compatible. The client-server model. It is the client-server model that having a device requesting the information is called the client and the device responding to the request is called the server. So, a server is the resource are stored on the server, and a client is a hardware or the software combination that people use directly. What is the peer-to-peer networks? It is the data is accessed for the peer device without the use of dedicated servers. Both devices are considered equal in the communication process. So that peer-to-peer applications is the both clients stimulatively initiate a message and receive a message. So that this is the applications. An application allows a net device to act as both clients and server within the same communication. This is shown as a figure. What are the common P2P applications? We're going to have a like something in the GC or the group chat. We're having a when the network receive all the PCs in there, so that the application to search for shared resources on peers. The Hypertext Transfer Protocol and Hypertext Markup Language. When a web address or uniform resources locator or the URL is typed into a web server, the web browser establishes a connection to the service running on the server using the HTTP protocol. And then it is a lot of more, and then the summary or the conclusion of this chapter 10 is the application layer is responsible for directly accessing the underlying processes that manage and deliver communication to the human network. This layer services as the source and destination of communication across data networks. The application layer, application services, and protocols enables users to interact within the data network in a way that is meaningful and effective. Applications are computer programs with which the user interacts and which initiate in the data transfer process at the user request. So, services are the background programs that provides the connection between the application layer and the lower layers of the network model. Protocols provide the structure of agreed upon rules and process that ensure services running on the particular devices. And it can send or receive data from a range of different network devices. Delivery of data over the network can be requested from a server by a client or between devices that operate in a P2P arrangement, and relationship is established according to the which device is the source and destination at that time. Messages are exchanged between the application layer services at each end devices in accordance with the protocol's specifications to establish and use this relationship. Protocols like HTTP supports the delivery of web page to end devices. SMTP, INRAP, and POP supports sending and receiving email. SMB and FT enables users to share files, and then P2P application make it easier for consumers for seamlessly share media in this distributed fashion. DNS resolves the human legible names used to refer to network resources into numeric addresses visible by the network. Clouds are remote upstream locations that store data and host applications so that users do not require as local resources, and so that users can seamlessly access content on different devices from any location. So that, in this summary, all of these elements work together at the application layer. The application layer enables users to work and play over the internet. So, this is the version 2.0 of the summary entitled the application layer. I think, thank you for watching and listening. I hope you understand what I'm saying and what I'm reading. That's all.